Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sarana Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic in social purpose of the firm, ethical analysis, under the topic of management of ethics. Ethical analysis. So now we are going to discuss ethical analysis based on the design thinking methodology like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So what do you mean by empathize? Empathize is nothing but problem identification. So there is some problem. So ethical analysis means there is some problem in that ethics. So what is the problem you are going to identify in that ethics? So ethics is very important for every human being. So empathize problem identification. So define. So what is the very important problem you have to define and ideate. Its ideation means it's nothing but you have to get the ideas to solve the problem, and prototype you have to build the model, and test with the customers is nothing but the testing, right? So now we are going to discuss ethical analysis. So understanding users, so empathize, gain a deep understanding of users needs, feelings and experiences through observation and interviews. This foundational step inform all further stages of design thinking. Ethical implications, consider the ethical implications of user experiences and how biases may affect understanding. Strive to represent diverse perspectives to avoid misinterpretation. So we will discuss related to the practical example also. A health app developer interviewed patients about their challenges, ensuring that design decisions were informed by authentic user experiences and ethical considerations. Define, so clearly articulate the problem. So what is the problem? You have to define clearly based on insights gained during the empathy space. User centric approach, use language and definitions that resonate with users and avoid jargons. Practical example, a non-profit organization framed food insecurity by highlighting community voices, ensuring relevance and ethics. Then brainstorming solution. In that brainstorming solution, you are going to you identified the problem. So you are going to connect the brainstorming session. You are collecting the solutions. You are going to select the best decision or best solution to solve the particular problem. So generate wide range of ideas without judgment, encouraging creative thinking while remaining aware of potential ethical dilemmas and implications of proposed solutions. Ethical dilemma is nothing but depending on the situation, you are going to take a decision. So inclusivity in ideation, involve diverse stakeholders in brainstorming sessions to uncover more comprehensive solutions and address ethical considerations from multiple viewpoints. So practical example also we are going to discuss. A technological company hosted a workshop with various community members to ideate solutions for digital access, ensuring that multiple perspectives informed the creative process. So prototype is nothing but you have to build the model. Rapid prototyping, so develop low fidelity to explore solutions quickly, considering ethical impacts of each design decision. Ethical testing environment, so ensure the testing environment respect users privacy and autonomy, and that their feedback process are transparent and consensual. So don't be hide anything, it will be transparent to everyone. So we are going to discuss a practical example also. A mobile app created prototype for user testing sessions and made sure to explain how user data would be handled, fostering trust and ethical practice. If you're using the mobile app or anything, so you have to protect the data. So data privacy, it's a very important. So you have to build the trust and ethical practice. Then testing, user feedback integration testing, gather and analyze user feedback systematically to refine solutions while being mindful of how users feel about the design and its ethical implications. Then iterative improvement, iterative is nothing but step-by-step process, embrace failure in that opportunity and continuously iterate on design to better align with ethical standards and user expectations. Then we are going to discuss the practical example also. A fashion startup tested its new line by collecting feedback on sustainability practices, thereby improving its product while addressing ethical concerns expressed by consumers. So finally, we are coming to that conclusion. So incorporating ethical analysis throughout the design thinking process ensures solutions are user driven and respect diverse perspectives and values. Then it's an ongoing dialogue, maintain an ongoing dialogue with users and stakeholders to adopt ethically as expectations and societal norms evolve. Future implications like emphasize that ethical design is not a one-off task but a continuous commitment to improving experiences and outcome for users and communities. So now everyone can understand about that ethical analysis based on the design thinking methodology. So these are the references related to that notes I referred. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.